Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I thought today I would review the new Amrezy x ABH Collab Highlighter. And so if you want to know my thoughts and opinions on it, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I picked mine up from Sephora and that's basically what the packaging looks like. And here's the actual product, which I think is stunning. It has this kind of 3D wave texture pattern and it is the most perfect gold for your skin tone. Like, look how amazing that is. So now I'm just applying it with my fingers for the most impact to my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, and then the high points of my cheeks and a little onto my temples. Now I'm taking my favorite highlighter brush, which is from Sephora, and I'm just blending that out for it to be a little bit more subtle. And now I'm just applying it to my cheekbones, and guys, look how stunning that is. Like, it is so beautiful, especially in natural light. Your photos will look the bomb. And then I'm also just applying it to my collarbones and kind of like the tops of my shoulders. And guys, this highlighter is not patchy at all. It is so beautiful. Literally, look how excited I am about it. Now I'm going in with my Glam Glow Glow Setter Setting Spray and just applying it to give me even more of a dewy, sparkly look. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and if you did, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in my new video. Bye guys!